All right, so I do not have the cradle rack from the special shaped cards, um, 29. Okay, but I'm going to use this one to show you how you can create a layer for the cradle card, if you don't want to make it into the rocking card that it is. All right, so with this I am going to duplicate this, because you always have to have on hand an extra one, because for us new people, we're going to mess it up always. So I am going to ungroup, move that out of the side, out of the way, and get rid of this. And then I'm going to right click. Once it's selected, right click and create an offset outward direction. Okay, and you can make it in any size that you want. If you do this, you're going to get that huge layer in the back. Okay, but I do not want that. Create offset line. This is fine for me right now. Click OK. All right, that's it there. So let me give it a color. All right, send that to the back, bring this to the front, and then this will go right on top. Now, how do you make this one into a regular card? Duplicate that, duplicate again, always an extra one on hand, and for these you need two. I'm going to select both, and I am going to align them to the right, make sure that they are correct. Then I am going to flip this one. All right, and let me make this smaller so you can see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to move this one out of the way, okay, and then start bringing it down. And I think I'm satisfied with how much they're touching here, and I am going to weld. All right, so this is what your machine is going to be cutting. Mind you, I've exaggerated the size so that you can see what I'm doing. So let me send this to the back real quick. Make this white, because that's going to be the actual card. This is going to be the one piece on top. You always need that, because when this is folded, you're missing out on this little bit right here. So you want that layer there. Okay, change the color of that to this one here. And this one would be another one, another layer. Let's say we want that gold, because when you see if that works, when this cuts out, you're going to have all those little holes showing through. Okay, now it's not going to show right now because these are not cut out of this piece right now. They're all different pieces that are grouped together, you see, so you can still see them. Let me group them back, and then when you put this on top, this is not going to work right now. Okay, you should be able to see the gold behind it. All right, so now it's big. You can do this if it's easier for you. Make it, an exaggerated shape, but then group it together and make sure that it fits within your mat. Okay, now This is going to be this card is going to be 6 inches by around 4.5. And that's not a bad size. That's good. All right, now if you don't like the way it's like that, flip it so that when the person receives the card, the little bassinet is facing the way that you want it. All right, now I hope this helps you out.